Can you hear Josh snoring? There's Ray driving. Can you still hear Josh snoring in the background?